Yeah, so I'm just editing footage now of a scout video of the Savannah campground at William O'Brien State Park. And I just wanted to share something really interesting that I noticed here, specifically at the marker for site 86. So I was just doing a zoom in here so it's easier to see basically. And you'll notice here the 8 turns into a 6 right here. So I'll just do frame by frame, forward, back. And if you can continue on in the frames here, it stays 66. And then there, just morph back to the 8. It's kind of a in flux right there with a 6 and an 8. And there's the 6 again. And now it's an 8 right there. It's a little pixelated, I know. So if we go back to the beginning of the clip here, and we just go forward a little bit, clearly 86. This is definitely site 86. And forgive any processor fan sound or any background noise you might hear. There we go. So right here, something happened here where the 8 turns into a 6. I'm going to zoom in a little more here, just for the sake of research and science. It's just kind of interesting to me here. Alright, so we're zoomed in. I'm going to go forward a little here. There, 6. So you can see the way the 8 looks, the way it's kind of curved right in here, how it curves inward. I thought it was just kind of a glitch where it just kind of would make it look more like a 6. But if you go forward here, well, first you see the 6 is nice and curved, and the 8 has this kind of indent right here. When we go to the next frame here, you can see it's clearly a 6, and this is a 6 as well. There's no opening here in the 8. Go forward again. There's an opening here. So that's definitely a 6. And it's not like the camera would have just taken the 6 down here and moved it up here where the 8 is. So it's very strange. Now I'm just going to, I'll undo it, the resize here, and then we'll just go back and play it in sequence. So that's kind of how I have it in the video, where it just kind of plays like that, and I left a little bit of the 66 at the end there. Right there. And then it morphs back. So that's really, really, really strange. That is clearly 66 right there. Very clearly. It should be 86, but for a few frames, it becomes 66. So I don't know if this is like a reality glitch or what's going on. I just don't see how this is possible, really, which is basic. If it's just kind of glitchy or pixelated, for example, if it was just pixelated, because it's just too much of a coincidence for it to be that different. Yeah, I don't know. So just kind of wanted to share that. I just thought it was kind of interesting. And 66 is kind of a number, 66 and 86. So recently, over the last several years, 86 has been kind of a big deal. You might be familiar with 86 and what it represents, and people who talk about it kind of in the political space. But then 66, of course, it's kind of more like, I guess, on the satanic side of things, 666. And then you got 72, so 66 plus 6 is 72. So sometimes I'll see 72 and 66. And then, but I've been seeing a whole lot of 86s a lot recently. And I think it's just a lot of people are just kind of speaking it into life. But the fact that the 86 turns into a 66 is just kind of strange to me. So call me paranoid or whatever you want. I just thought this was kind of interesting. So just submitting it for science. You got any thoughts, let me know. Thanks for taking a look. Take care.